Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Just truly, Texzle. I'm out here at Fresh Upgrade with my cousin. There you go, boom boom. He is somewhere over there. Today we're actually going to be heading out to Van Nuys. We're actually going to be checking out a track. Hopefully for a, I don't know, a convention. But my cousin's usually doing all these car meets, so other than that, I'll be seeing you guys right out there, right? Just feeding the homeless.
I can't carry it right now. Okay, carry that one too.
Yeah, we're listening to the car. Yeah, it's just trippy. We listening to the cops every day. We're just... Alright guys, we're rolling out. You thought we were taking the Camaro or the Z? It's like taking the mom van. Yeah.
Look at this nigga. Look.
Yeah, right. Only 87 boys.
87 boys and under. Oh shit.
What? Oh shit. Alright guys, so right now we went to the Connect to get some merchandise from my cousin, but I'll catch right back up right after we finish our business. See you.
The Ferrari dealership, right?
Oh, this is a Ferrari dealership. I was like, what the? Alright, well, looks like we're at a Ferrari dealership. Oh, I see my dream car. Alright guys, so I came to pick up my dream car. Came here with your cousin. That's the point of this video, right? And it's driving away. What the fuck?
Later that same evening.
So, we went into the Ferrari dealership. They obviously didn't know who I am. They didn't let us in. We're like, hey, can we look at your guys' gallery? They're like, oh no, you can't take no pictures. You can't take no videos. I was like, so we can't go in there? He's like, you know what? He's like, nah. He's like, you know what? You want to go to this Ferrari dealership? And he sent me somewhere else. I guess I'm not buying a Ferrari. Yeah.
I was gonna buy a Ferrari, just to let you know. But they didn't let us in, so...
Yeah, I mean, that's the only reason why we don't want to buy one now.
Yep.
That's the only reason why.
Now it looks like we're getting a Lamborghini, so...
We're gonna get a C8 Corvette.
Or C8 Corvette is actually
It looks better.
Yep. Going 100. Take this man out.
Let's take him down. Take him down.
Alright guys, we on a mission.
Just gonna cut through all these cars.
So past this.
Told you,
Oh
told you,
shit!
told you.
Fucking braking hella hard. Oh
Told
shit!
you. Oh hell no! What is it?
Oh mother!
Fucking he's out.
Dude, I got it on camera.
Sick, I think this is smoking a joint during big girt.
We got a white bucket.
We got a white bucket. This is sketch. Look,
He's like, oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Look.
Oh!
Out of service. Look.
Oh!
Oh look, there's the Honda.
Where the fuck is it?
It's right there. They're trying to get. Oh shit! It's right there. Look, they're telling him to stop. They
got his ass. Alright guys, we're still driving. We actually missed the Honda. The Honda got stuck behind us, so that's good for him. But right now we're heading to Apple Valley, and all we got is just road. So yep. Nothing? Alright, let's get it going. Alright guys, what you think? This could possibly be where we're gonna have the car meet? Or where my cousin is gonna have
car show. No more car meets, bro.
car show. Upgrading the lifestyle. Alright guys, so we've made it to doubles, you guys can see, but this is probably going to be the end of the vlog. The next part of this is probably going to be either with the Z, me fixing the Z, or it'll be the Fresh Fest. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe, look at my Instagram, look at Mr. Fresh Upgrade's Instagram, I'll put it down in the link below. Other than that, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you guys.